Morning. This is All Pro Exterior Services on a Sunday morning. I'm doing a commercial job, which really need a break, but we all good. We all good. See here, I got a little hardware store. Got some growth here. Growth here. We're gonna go ahead and catch this roof, or this little metal awning roof. This little metal awning roof, and we're gonna spray it. It doesn't look too bad. You gotta. This is pretty bad. So we're gonna go over here. Anthony's already got the water hooked up, so we rolling, filling up. I'm gonna go ahead and surface clean this for him. And what I like to do is tape up the doors, put towels underneath them. It's gonna come out nice. And we got this. Oh wow! Look, they lost some panels. So it ain't too bad. In the back, we got some bad stuff, but that ain't too bad at all. Got some stuff right here. So anyway. Job's been on the books a couple weeks, maybe a month or two, I don't know. Just haven't had time to really come out. We got to do it on a Sunday. I didn't plan to work today, but it is what it is. Gotta go get the cheese. But it's a beautiful day again, 65 degrees. And look, yeah, that roof's pretty bad. So I'm gonna use that small machine with that 1.8 and open it, and put 2% on it, see what it does. I'm not playing around today. And then we got the back of the store. And he said he's really not worried about the back of the store. So I don't know. We're going to see. It's going to be tough to spray in here. So I may just use water. I don't know. Just to kind of knock some of the cobwebs down. Spray the door down. Yeah, let's go see. Oh, yeah. It's pretty bad. May have to use that small machine for this too. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Use a small machine when we can, and I brought extra bleach just in case. I got 65 gallons of bleach. Again, didn't know what we were dealing with, and wanted to make sure we had enough. So that's kind of where we at. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get set up, and we'll get some footage accordingly. All right, guys. Let me show you the bleach here. So we got the 50, we got the 15. Tank's filling up. Fresh fuel, ready to roll. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. Running to 1.8. Remember, if I'm all the way open, I'm at 2%, 2.9. So I'm up at 2.5. You know, I'm at 1. So on this section here, we don't really need that much bleach. I'm gonna kick it up a little bit and roll with it and do a test spot. Trying to get in and out this bad boy at a decent time today. So of course, is what you want to do with this metal is always pre-wet it. Actually, I don't even know if that's metal. Let me see. Oh, that's siding. So I'm just gonna pre-wet a little bit, do a test spot. And this is that 1.8 injector. Yeah, I know I lose flow, but I get that strong mix when I need it. So that's great. Again, I sound like a broken record, but this is a great opportunity for a gas roof pump. I mean, this is where that thing will shine. All right, so let's turn our bleach on. All right, there we go. There you go. Nice concentrated bleach. Again, just spray it down. Do a test spot. We're gonna test this whole wall because I know it's gonna work. Go to that gutter line. That's gonna be my key. Hit those gutters. And again, I back down the dial on the bleach just to kind of. We don't need that 2% here. We're gonna need it over there on that roof though. At least 2%. Maybe a little stronger mix. Oh yeah, fresh SH, looking good. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and soak the rest of this. Let it marinate, and then catch up with you in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, hitting this stubborn section right here with this 4.5%. It's coming off, just taking a little couple coats. That's all it is, baby. Some organic growth. Just hitting it. Tony scrubbing that other section of the roof. Let me show you this one. Man, that roof's kicking our butt. Look how bad it is. Wow. I didn't know what color it was. It was white. Anyway, we're trying to, you know, do a little bit. We're trying to get these roofs knocked out, man, just so we can move on, spray this building, get it over with. And remember, keep your metal roofs wet. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Sorry for the angle. We'll back you up a little bit. Just shooting it above it so I can get it, get a little drip. You know, there you go. See? That's all you got to do. It's coming out nice though. Very nice. Look at it. Wow. He's gonna walk in and be like, "Hey, this is a new store." Looks good. Looks real good. All right, guys. I'm gonna let that marinate. I'm gonna let it marinate until it goes away. Once it goes away, then I'll rinse it. All right. We got some stubborn stuff up here too, so we have to spike it. I'm done spiking it. I'm just gonna spike it. All right. Catch up. Peace. All right, that's the results of the spike. All going here. Hit that camera. We didn't spray that camera. Look how good it looks. Wow. Stucco, you got to rinse really well as well, because it's porous. It likes to hold the bleach. Yeah, it came out nice. Alright, guys. We're going to go ahead and hit this side of the roof and then finish the front and then work our way to the other side and be done. Alright, peace. Out of this, and I got the that's set on max, so we're getting about 2%. We're going to spike this. That comes out. And the camera's up there. Oh yeah, that's some strong bleach right there with that 1.8. I know we're going to go through some bleach, but it's alright. It was put in the jar. Yeah, it's nasty. Just spraying it down. We're almost done here, folks. Try to take the rest of the Sunday off. Marinate. Get back at it. Get the high sides. We can shoot. You can tell we're shooting low, man, but we're getting high soap concentration. That's really what we need. It's 4 gallons a minute. Bringing back memories. All right, guys, this is the back. It's all jacked up. He told me if you know, it's not a big deal. He don't ever come back here. But I'm gonna try it out and just hit a section of it. Just give it a 2% treatment. See what it does. Let it marinate. Tighten this thing up. Hit this ridge cap. And if it comes off easy, we'll finish it. But if not, we'll see. Alright, guys. Getting it rinsed off. Trying it out, see what it looks like. And oh, by the way, we being efficient today. We got Tony on the surface cleaning while I'm doing this. That's what the whole point of the second machine was about. So, coming clean. May need another coat here. It's alright though. That's what we do, baby. All pro. Get it done right. Don't come back. Get that annual. And this guy owns a couple more properties, so do this right. Could turn it into something. Yeah, it's coming off. Just taking a little pressure. A little fancy up close. That's what I like to do. Sometimes you need that, man. Sometimes you need it. Let me show you this back. Did the back, sprayed it, rinsed it. Came out fairly nice. You can see the difference. Boom. Rinse. Dwell for 10, 15. Don't let it dry. Rinse, rinse, rinse. All right, peace. Boom, boom. Efficiency, baby. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, look at that. Boy, that's like a shining. Roof's nice. We got to catch that roof, though. And I'll finally catch this roof. This little hanger. All right, peace. Guys, on the last side of the building, as you can tell, we got a bunch of rust, but that was not part of the contract. That's extra charge. That one restore is not cheap. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and soak this. I'm using at 1.8, 2%, man. So it's gonna be nice. Of course, it's like a squirt gun, but it's okay. We're just gonna spray it and forget it. Wait on soap. Put a little fan tip on it. Man. And I'm just gonna do like a section and probably thirds because it's so hot. I already rinsed it down, you can tell. Here we go, we're about to get some soap. There we go, we got soap. So we'll do the rust line here. Just get it done, nice even coats. Let it marinate. I mean, you can still hit high, just not with no force. No force. But it's all good. We're about to get it wrapped up, get back to the house hopefully. We'll get some lunch. We didn't even eat lunch. So anyway, but yeah, man, these commercial guys, the way I got this job is I did his neighbor's house, the neighbor's roof. And he said, man, I need you to come look at my house. So I did, and we started talking, and he knew a few guys I knew, and you know, the rest is history. History. Oh yeah, this is gonna come out nice. All right, take your before and after photos too. Don't forget about it. Well, a dinge. We'll let that soak. This is kind of in the shade, so we're good. Again, it's all solution based, man. Got nothing to do with the pressure. Every now and then you need a little back in and knock something down, but in most cases, all this will work. We'll tighten it up a little bit. There you go. Oh yeah, look at that. It's already starting to come off. Okay. And this is 2% from the injector. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. Spray this. I'll probably go to that rust line over here. That's where I rinsed it too. So anyway, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrapped up so we can get out of here. Sunday fun day. Hustle. You know, I've been backed up on my videos. I got a bunch of videos in archive. I just haven't had time to put them up because I've been so busy. And it's like, you know, you get home at 6, 7 o'clock at night. It's like, oh, geez. I'm not editing today. So, anyway. Alright, guys. Catch up. Alright, peace. Back at the house, just unhooking the trailer, getting it set up. Finally got it done. I'm gonna knock off a couple of days, try to get some rest. Exhausted. I picked up another job today. I went and looked at yesterday. So anyway, appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Good commercial day. Made some nice nice ticket cheese, and keep them coming. Peace.